what jade is used for, a little bit of background information about jade in terms of the source, the geology and the history, and we're also going to dive into the healing benefits of jade, or what to use jade for, and what are the most a common symbolism that jade is associated with. So it's quite a controversial stone. It's very, very nice, and the name of jade, it's basically jade is the name applied to two ornamental stones in China. So it's not simply one, so two ornamental stones in China and Central America, and these are the stones of nephrite and jadeite. Jade, it's found in different places in China, and it's actually found in the tombs of the emperors as a symbol of their power and wealth. So in Central America, jade was sacred to the Olmec, the Mayan and the Toltec people, countries where it's really important to make sure that you get it from reputable source, because there's a lot of fake jade out there. So get it from a reputable source, that way you will feel much more confident in using it as a healing tool. And also the top high quality jade, which is known as jadeite, it comes from America, and these are the stones of nephrite and jadeite, jadeite, sorry, and these are very similar in structure, and they're used in similar ways as well. Jade is a very beautiful stone. It's mostly found in various shades such as pale to vivid green. Jade can also be used to cut into smooth shapes. It can be carved easily into bangles, into different sorts of beads, and also different shapes as well. And it's a bit tricky buying jade, because you gotta buy it from a reputable source, especially if you're sourcing it from China or from, you know, any of these countries where it's really important to make sure that you Guatemala. And the main deposits of nephrite are also found in Canada, Australia, the USA and Taiwan. And jade has been used as a royal gemstone of China for more than 4,000 years. It's found in different places in China, and it's actually found in the tombs of the emperors as a symbol of their power and wealth. So in Central America, jade was sacred to the Olmec, the Mayan and the Toltec people.